Hey everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here insulating my garage. I picked up the Prodex 5M Total Garage Insulation Kit. Came with just more than enough to install the whole thing. You just cut them. You cut the panels just so they kind of fit here. Then you tape them on. I just want to make a quick note. This really saved me some time because you'll see maybe some of these over here, like this one over here. It's one of the first ones I did. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little lumpy. It's a little lumpy because I wasn't able to really get it on because they give you the all the tape you need over here to install it. But what I did, I made the mistake. I took all the tape and I cut it and I put it on the panel first, and then tried to slide this on, and it didn't work. It got like caught. It got stuck on itself. So what you do is, this is the trick. Take the panel. Well, you cut your piece to the panel, and then you install it on three sides. The back here, top and bottom. And then you put this on, and that holds this in place. Then you peel the other side and do the same thing on the other side, and you get that flush, and it's really good. So yeah, it's been a really easy process. I'm really happy with the purchase.